Samsung has cut the ribbon of its all-new ONYX cinema screen, which uses LED display technology instead of traditional beam projection. The cinema of the future is here. Samsung has taken the wraps of its all-new LED-powered ONYX cinema screen, the first of its kind in Europe. Express.co.uk flew out to Arena Cinema in Zurich to check out the futuristic cinema technology firsthand ahead of its public launch tomorrow morning. Dubbed Samsung ONYX, the new system replaces the good old-fashioned silver screen with a pixel-packed LED display. There's no projector at the back of the movie theater. Instead, Samsung ONYX uses the same LED display technology that powers top-of-the-line smartphones like iPhone X and Galaxy S9. And it looks breathtaking. In a nutshell, imagine the best widescreen LED TV on display in your branch of Curry's busy world, only stretched to fill an entire wall in the cinema. Samsung ONYX is not a single LED screen, but in fact 96 individual panels seamlessly slotted together to make up the 10.2 meter wide and 5.4 meter high display. Express.co.uk watched upcoming blockbuster Pacific Rim Uprising to put the new screen through its paces. The 4K HDR ONYX screen, burst with variant color, sharp images, eye-wavering details. Unlike traditional setups, which use a projection beam, ONYX is made up of 24 million LEDs. These LEDs light up individually when needed, and produce no light when they're not. As such, Samsung ONYX is capable of true black, plunging the auditorium into total darkness during the credit, instead of muggy gray-black usually seen at the movies. And when it's not pitch black, Samsung's gorgeous LED technology is capable of 500 nits of brightness. That's about 10 times brighter than screens which use a projector. It's seriously impressive stuff, and is even capable of playing HDR and 3D content too. However, throwing out century-old projection technology did bring some serious challenges. In traditional cinema setups, the sound system is kept directly behind the screen, so it's just at the correct level to fire towards the audience. As you'd expect, this isn't possible from behind a solid wall of 96 LED panels. To solve the problem, Samsung worked with audio brand Harman Kardon to create an algorithm that adjusts the sound beamed out by the speaker kept above the LED display, so it still sounds like it originates behind the center of the screen. And while there's no light bouncing off the screen in a Samsung ONYX theater, the audio system uses the solid wall of LED panels to bounce sound waves towards the audience to create a richer surround sound experience. Following the launch of the ONYX screen in Arena theaters in Zurich, there are now 3 of these LED-powered cinema experiences in the world, so you'll have to travel if you want to experience this awesome cinematic setup.